great choice today with 2010 Town & Country. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, remote keyless entry, fog lamps. Inside you'll find heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, auto express down window, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.